I literally could not straighten my head.
She was doing this type of thing, and then it was over.
It was terrible.
And hello, beautiful people. It is Timotha Lanae, and we have a special guest. I'm here with my mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi. All right, y'all. So y'all know me and my mom did a couple videos. That was what, 2-3 years ago or so?
3 years.
3 years ago, back when she had a stroke, and we told that story and how God came through using some natural methods to help that stroke be arrested. So if you haven't seen those videos, make sure to go check out that. There was a part 1 and part 2. But today we have some more stories of natural methods that you can use if you are going through something. So we're gonna tell a story of something that happened about, when was that? Like
maybe 2 weeks ago.
My mom and my dad are so generous that they watch my little 5-year-old a couple days a week. So I was bringing her over, and my mom was coming down the stairs, and she was coming down the stairs like this, like her neck was stuck like that. It was down more. I feel like, yeah, it was like that. So she was coming down the steps with her neck like that. And I was like, what in the world? She's like, yeah, ever since yesterday, my neck has been stuck like this. You woke up, right? You want to tell kind of what happened?
Well, I do sometimes have a problem with my neck. I have weakness in my neck. And so for whatever reason, my neck bothers me sometimes in the morning, and then this morning, the morning before the morning you came by, my neck was just the worst that it's ever been when I've awakened from a night's sleep. And my head was basically stuck in this position.
And you had a lot of pain.
And it was a lot of pain.
So it was a lot of pain on this side?
Yeah.
So she had a lot of pain on this side. She couldn't lift her head.
I could not turn. We had gone on a drive the day before. Even sitting straight and having to be in that position bothered me in a way that it normally wouldn't bother me.
So that had been going on for a full 24 hours. You woke up the first morning, no mobility, lots of pain, and then the next morning when I came over,
it was even worse.
It was worse.
Yes.
And so I saw her coming down the steps, and her neck was stuck. I had no idea the day before that was what was going on. So when she came down, I just was like, oh no. And I started praying, like, what can we do? Because she was sharing all the things they had done. Y'all had put essential oils on, because that would have been the first thing I would have said to do.
The oils that normally help that didn't help this at all.
She did get some relief with a warm rag, but as soon as she removed the rag, the relief was gone, and you still didn't have mobility. And then did you do massage?
It hurt too bad to even let somebody massage it.
I literally was just praying, like, man, what could we do? Because they had done all the things I would have done. And it just came in my mind. Some of y'all might already know what I'm gonna say, okay? Collagen, okay? CMOS collagen. I was like, have you taken the collagen that I brought for you? Because I had brought this Organics Nature CMOS collagen to them about a week before. Little did I know how much they were gonna need it. Well, they hadn't been taking it. So I was like, have you taken the collagen? She said no. And so I was like, okay, well, let's go ahead and take the collagen. So I gave her the recommended dose that the doctor had found for her, which was just a half a tablespoon, and just shook it up, put it in a little mason jar, and she drank it. And my dad took some too, because he was having some like head issues and a little neck issues that morning. He's like, well, I'm gonna take some too, see if it helps me. So he took it, she took it. And the next thing I know, 5 minutes later or so, right?
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes.
I looked up and I saw her kind of turning her head a little bit, where before she was just stuck, and I was like, what, what's going on? And she had a little bit of mobility back. So
and the pain had decreased. And it wasn't totally gone, but it had definitely improved, where it wasn't bothering me to the extent that it was before.
But more than anything, what I could tell is that the mobility had come back some, not 100%, but the mobility had started to come back. And that was, like I said, like 5 to 10 minutes after taking this collagen. So why did this collagen help? Well, if you've seen some other videos I've done on this collagen, and if you want to check it out, the link is in the description box and in the pinned comment. But it's really great for the musculoskeletal system, which is why I believe God gave me the insight to have her use it, because I knew it's good for the musculoskeletal system. What is that? Ligaments, tendons, muscles, all of those different parts of that system. And so she was having pain in her muscles, probably some stuff in the tendons as well, just inflammation here.
That day forward, the pain was significantly less.
But to have completely normal restore.
But yeah, it was still some pain, still stiffness, and every day my head was a little straight. I hope my head is straight now.
How she looks straight to y'all now. Yeah, it's much straighter.
But I mean, I literally could not straighten my head.
She was doing this type of thing, and then it was over.
It was terrible. And I was basically like this, and every day it would get a little closer to being vertical. And then finally one day I realized I didn't have any pain anymore, and that my head was vertically aligned. Child, I have been faithfully taking that collagen ever since that first.
Exactly.
I mean, and I had taken it before then.
Only one day.
Really?
Yeah, because you took it the day I brought it.
Oh, okay. So you had just brought it.
I had brought it like a few days before. You took a dose then. I said, oh, take a dose that day. I brought it to you all. And then you all never took another dose.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's what happened.
Anyway.
That's what they did.
So maybe if I would have been taking that, maybe it wouldn't have been as bad.
You never know. Exactly. Yeah. But the other thing that I forgot to mention, my dad, he's with my daughter right now, but he actually took it, like I said, as well. And he was like, oh, I feel better too. So he had to get it on it. No, just play it. No, but he did. He said, oh, it's gone. It's drained, like whatever was going on with him. So his wasn't like dramatic like hers. Like she was stuck like this. But he just kind of had a little tenderness and a little kind of brain fog. So he said that he felt better too. But we know the collagen is what started to give her mobility after
relief of the pain.
After 24 hours of suffering. If you have joint pain, if you have muscular type issues in your body, it might be something worth looking into to see if you have a good response to it too. Everybody's body's different. Sometimes your body wants something and then a month later it's gotten enough of it. You know, so you just have to listen to how your body's responding, which is why I share the importance of having a food journal. If you haven't gotten the new book High Vibes on Dairy Products website, make sure to check that out. There's a food journal in there along with the 28-day meal plan guide with recipes. They're plant-based recipes.
That food journal is really key. Really, I need to start.
Yes, mama. Do your food journal. We are starving for collagen. I think it's like after the age of 25 or something, everybody starts losing collagen. So I took that. I started to notice my cheeks started to kind of puff up a little, like all of that. And it was like, what in the world? Baby soft skin, all of those different things. And then of course, the main thing is for my mom, the relief she got in her neck, the mobility she got. This Collagen Sea Moss by Organics Nature. Check out the link, go check it out for yourself. I have a pinned comment down below or it's in the description box. Let us know in the comments if you have good results. I've already been getting some good comments from some of y'all that have tried it and are really loving it. Thanks for coming back and sharing with us. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if it's been helpful for you. I'm Timotha Lanae. This is my mama. And take care, God bless, and we will see you, or at least I'll see you in the next video.